Assign costs directly from a bill to a project in Xero. This is a big time saver, so you won't need to manually add those costs to the project. I'm doing some work on a project. Here it is. It's Luna Cafe. We're building a new patio for them. I've received a bill for some materials that I need for this job. I need to add these materials to this project. Let's take a look at how we can do this in Xero. The best way to add costs to a project is to assign them directly from the bill. Here's the bill that we've recorded in Xero. You can see it's from my supplier, ABC Building Company. It's for some paving stones that we need for that project. Now, the most efficient way to assign costs to a project is to do it as you add the bill, but I forgot to do that, so let's edit the bill. Click Bill Options and Edit. And you can see that you can assign expenses to a customer or a project. So click that button. We'll search for a customer or a project. Let's search for Luna Cafe, our customer. And you can see here's the project for the new patio. Choose which line items from the bill you want to assign to this project. Here there's only one line item, and click Assign and OK. And if we're happy with the changes we've made to that bill, click Update. So just looking at the bill's description, you can see that the expense has been assigned to that project. So let's go back in and take a look at that project. Now this is what we had before. Let's reload the page. And you can see the time and expenses has increased by 600. That's the amount of the cost. And towards the bottom, you can see those decorative paving stones have been added as a cost to this project. So nice and easy. This cost is untracked. So currently, it's not tracked against an estimate, but we do have an estimate for materials for this project, an estimate of $750. I want to track this cost against the estimate. Click the Action menu, these three dots, and Track to Estimate. Choose which estimate you want to track the cost against. Here we've only got one. And you can see how we're tracking against that materials estimate. So actually so far we've come in under estimate. Maybe we got a good deal, or it's just cost us less than we thought it would cost. So assigning that cost to the project are relatively straightforward. If you want to see what that material cost includes, click the drop down and you can see it comes from a bill that we've recorded in Xero. The bill is unpaid, it's awaiting payment. Click into it, you can see a bit more detail and click View the Bill to take a closer look. So thanks for watching this video in the project series. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a like. See you next time.